sing that Auntie La?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna
Ready?
sing?
1,
Ready?
2. 1, 2, 3. Happy.
Birthday to okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
you.
Happy birthday.
Oh, dear.
Happy birthday to
You. Happy birthday to Papa.
Happy birthday to Auntie Law. It's Auntie Law's birthday.
Can you say, I love you, La?
I love you.
Yeah. And just.
What else? What else do we do? What do we do after we sing Happy Birthday? What do we do? Do we clap?
Yeah.
Can you clap? Can you clap for Auntie Law on her birthday? Clap.
Blow her a kiss?
Say Happy Birthday, Auntie Law. We love you.
Happy birthday, Allah.
Bye bye. You are playing with the lid. Okay, say bye bye to Auntie Law.
Hello.
And Uncle Kevin, too?
And Uncle Kevin, too.
Happy birthday to Kevin.
It's not Kevin's birthday, silly. Just Aunt La. Just Aunt La.
Papa's birthday on Friday.
Yeah, Papa's birthday is on Friday.
Alrighty, bye bye.